You'll never be my empress if you don't help me.
Help you do what?
Help me to destroy that bird! It improves his health and we don't want him healthy, do we? Start thinking.
I'm thinking.
Get the bird! We must have a stunning plan.
A cunning plan.
Get the bird!